My name's Andy LaRoe, and I'm the co-chair for the Gateway Nature Preserve. We are a board of about 15 people that manage this beautiful place in Winston-Salem. It's a 19-acre tract of land that adjoins Washington Park. We've developed a master plan for this site to be an urban environmental education center. We have a lot of projects planned that will help people come here and understand nature. Salem Creek runs right through the middle of this, so we have a lot of aquatic features for natural habitats. Our Pollinator Garden is about a half-acre tract of the land that we're developing, a place where we can have native plants that will attract pollinating insects, bees, flies, wasps, and it's going to be a beautiful garden, but more importantly, it's going to serve as an educational place for people to learn more about pollinating insects. Today we're in the Pollinator Garden. Let's take a walk around and look at a few of the plants. Up on this hillside, we have a number of holly bushes that are also a native species, and they're also very rich as a food source for pollinators. An interesting thing about these holly bushes, there's 5 of them, and we're calling them the 5 ladies. And if you look right here, in order for them to have berries, they have to have a male. And this is the one male that is mated up with all of these lady holly bushes. Here's one of my favorites in the garden right now. This is called Sweet Spire. This actually has its blossoms right now because they come out in early spring. It's a native plant. It's very attractive to butterflies and other pollinators. And they all need some water. Let's stop right here for a moment and take a look at these. This is called Lyre Sage. This is a plant that a lot of people find in their lawns. It's a native plant. Shows up for a lot of people as a weed. They work really hard to try to get rid of it. And all of these plants, we're going to be putting up signs that are for educational purposes that make a statement about the botanical name, the common name, what type of insects. For instance, the lyre sage attracts hummingbirds, butterflies, and other pollinators. It is interesting to purposely bring in plants that we have historically considered a stubborn weed in order to attract flying insects, previously referred to as pests. To top it off, lyre sage is also called cancer weed because it spreads so quickly, essentially making it an invasive species. If we can change our minds about plants and bugs, maybe there's hope for the way we think of human beings. So if you want to get involved with the Pollinator Garden here at the Gateway Nature Preserve, you can look us up on our website, www.gatewaynaturepreserve.org.